Hi everyone, it's Lorna from Kismetplanning. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the back to school launch. I'm so excited to share with you guys. At the time of this video, the back to school launch will have already launched. So go ahead and use my affiliate link down below to support me, and let's get through this unboxing. I'm doing a little bit of a different video today. I'm doing a voiceover, so let me know what you guys think down below, and here we go. This is a little bit of an ASMR for you guys, so this is kind of cool. In this back to school release, there are a couple of planners and sticker books for the back to school release. And there are Bridgerton. Bridgerton is back and I'm so excited. So there's a couple of planners and sticker books from there too. And then some of these other pretty florals. And I saw one that was leather, so that's pretty cool. And so these were just some of the things that I'm unboxing for you guys. And I will get into some of the pages and dividers and everything in a little bit. Starting off strong with Bridgerton. This is a House of Bridgerton. These are classic notes. And the cover is so pretty. Look at the back of the cover. So the first divider is yellow, and then these pages are blank. So I really like that. And you can see that it kind of looks like a stamp, as if you're writing a letter. This divider says, "All I've ever wanted is to be seen." And these florals are so pretty. And look at this purple cover. Love it. And this is what the back looks like. Okay, going on with the Bridgerton theme, this is a vertical layout. And this is a 12 months starting in July 2024 to June 2025. I can't believe we're talking about 2025 already. It's so crazy. The cover says this is the first chapter of a happy story. And the name page says, "Dearest Reader." Sorry, I'm just a little struggling here. I should definitely go grab my scissors. All right, here we go. This is your year at a glance. I love the font. The font is so pretty. And look at this spine with all the pretty flowers and florals. This is also your year at a glance. I love the colors. And this starts in July 2024. You have your currently page. This one's really nice because it's kind of decorated for you. And then you're going into the weekly vertical. This one says, "A woman can truly sparkle from within." And then you're going into September. These florals again. Diamonds are not only gems that sparkle. Flawless Darling. And then you have that same purple divider as we saw in our notes. This one says, "Dearest Gentle Reader." I love these colors, by the way. They're so pretty. All I've ever wanted is to be seen. And then look at this floral, like foil color. It's purple, so pretty. And then for April, you have this flower. And then again with the foil, this is orange. I really like that. It's really pretty. And then you have the B for Bridgerton. And then you have the little bees and flowers. And this is June. And then these discs are gold with the little bees cut out, so that's pretty. This is what the back looks like. So pretty. Okay, so for the rest of the planners, this is going into the back to school release. This one is called Reading in the Garden. This one is a 12-month planner, a teacher layout. It starts in July of 2024 and it ends in June of 2025. You guys, this cover is so pretty. I mean, look at the florals. It's like those thin florals and leaves. I love it. It says 2024 and 2025. This is the inside cover, which has like little reading kind of text on there. And then the name page also with those pretty thin florals. So pretty. And then going into your year at a glance, this is 2024 to 2025. You also have some notes here, and then it goes into your year at a glance. I like to use these ones for birthdays. Other people use them for holidays, so that's really nice. And then you have your currently page, which starts in July of 2024. And then the cover is so pretty. And then it goes into your monthly and then your weekly. So with the teacher layouts, it starts on Monday and it ends on Friday. And for August, this is so pretty. Here is your September, always the dreamer. October with these black and white florals. November, December, which says home. I love these texts. Then it goes into January. Let life surprise you. You already have more than you need. And then for March, it says you will never regret being kind. Yes. And then you have April, May, June with this pretty foil. I'm like loving these foils, you guys. And then every time you have a teacher layout at the end, there's a checklist for your students. You could put the names, the grades, etc., etc. So that's pretty cool. And then going into this one, it says Year to Grow. And we partnered with a new artist. And you can see her picture there. Jess Miller Draws. This one says Wild and Free. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty with the boots and the florals. And then you have your name page. This is like so bright. I love it. And then you have your year at a glance. Again, this is a teacher layout. Starts in July of 2024, ends in June of 2025. Squeeze the Day. I love this artwork. This is your monthly. This one says Wild and Free, so the same as the cover. Create something beautiful every day. Seek magic in every day. Pumpkin spice, all things nice. Warmest winter wishes. Grow, shine, dream, love, inspire. I love this. This is so seasonal. Living the sweet life. Grow your own way. That's for March. April, it says Spring Flower Happy Hour. Oh my gosh. Stay golden with these platforms. Summer State of Mind. And then again, ending with your checklist. Celebrate every day. And this is what the back looks like. And these are on white discs. Up next is probably one of my favorite ones from this collection. This one is called Midnight Deluxe. Okay, sorry, it's taking forever to take this plastic thing off. Anyway, look at these rainbow discs. I love them. This is a deluxe cover and it's a dashboard layout. So the cover is like pleather. It's so pretty. It says plans, and yes, we are planning. The inside has that little flap that you can use to put your cards or anything like that, maybe stickers. And then this is your name page. It's very neutral, right? So let's see the inside and see if it's neutral or not. So this is your name page, and then it's going into your year at a glance, again, 2024 and 2025. This is also a part of your year at a glance. And then going into July, this is your currently page. Wow, so this is very neutral. This is your monthly. And then it goes into your weekly, which is a dashboard layout. So there is no other colors. I really like this one actually, because the cover is like neutral, right? And then you have a little pop of color. And then these dividers, I'm assuming they're all just different colors. So this one is for September, October. These colors are very like muted. It's like a muted pastel to me. And then this one is your November. I do see the foil, so that's really nice. You have your December, and then going into your January with this mint color. February, all white. March is this light blue color. April is like this darker color of blue. May, you're going into purple. And then June, this is like a lilac color, light purple, or even lavender. I think this is a lavender color. So it's so pretty. I really like this one. I think I might change it up. I really, really like this one. And then in the back, it always gives you some notes there. And then you can also put more stickers in the back. And this is what the back looks like. It looks so good. And this one was called the Midnight Deluxe. All right, coming in hot with another color. This is called the Dragonfly Deluxe. Again, this is a 12-month planner. This is different because it's a horizontal layout. And this one also starts in July of 2024 to June of 2025. And I'm just trying to take this plastic off. Next time I should just cut it off. And it's starting with this pretty color of like turquoise. And you can see that the plans do say, what says plans, but it's like this like gold foil. So I really, really like that. I want to say this is probably the same as the black one. So let's see. You have your flaps here that you can put your stickers or anything like that. Let's cut this off. Again, your name page is like a neutral color. And this one, I don't know if this is better than the other one because the discs aren't quote unquote colored. Obviously you can mix and match and put whatever you want in it. Those are the reasons why, one of the reasons why I really like the Happy Planner is because of the customizable discs. And you can change out your covers and you can change out your layout. So this is a horizontal layout starting in July of 2024. And in the spine, it has these like dots. So it's still neutral. August, September, and then it goes using the same colors as before. And this is what the back looks like. I really like this one. This one is, I think, it's really high on my list. All right, moving on to stickers and accessories. So these are all of the sticker books that I received from the Happy Planner. Thank you so much to the Happy Planner team for sending this over, for allowing me to share it with you guys. So this is really nice of them to send over. All right, so starting with the little sticker book. This one is called Reading in the Garden. This has a corresponding planner that I just flipped through, and this is the 8 pages. That's why this sticker book looks a little small. It does have 8 pages and it's lower in price points. So, oh my gosh, look at these little circles. So pretty. And then these lines. Oh my gosh, these are so small. It says plan, call, bill. And then these ones are the pretty florals that are so thin. And then this one is some quotes, make today great. And then some circle stickers here. You have half a wreath, I think. That's what we call it. We put these on our door. But yes, this is only 8 pages. And they're really pretty if you want to just grab something really small. All right, going into the next sticker book. This one is called Wild Fields. And this butterflies theme is so pretty. Look at these boxes and all of these butterflies. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed. You have your standard boxes, circles. I'm just gonna flip these really quick for you guys and enjoy some ASMR. All right, up next is The Year to Grow. This is from Jess Miller Draws. And this sticker book corresponds to the planner that I just flipped through. And you have your boxes, Dream, Inspire, Shine, Grow, Wish. You have more boxes. These are your kind of double boxes. I love this. This is like seasonal, and look at these colors. So pretty. I love that there are certain colors that have the same, like there are the same colors and you have like boxes and things to match. So that's really nice to kind of get like a matching spread. Boxes. You could definitely use these for your monthlies because of those notches. You have your double boxes. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty with these boots. So pretty. It's like back to school, and then you have some mushrooms. This is so me. I love it. Although I love neutral, I also love a pop of color. Then you have your half boxes with the U's. Inspire, Dream, Love. These are your half circles with those same type of colors. Okay, dots. Everybody needs those. Then you have your florals. That's on clear paper. Those platforms. So pretty. And that was it. Year to Grow. And that's in big. All right, going into the last sticker book. This is a part of the Bridgerton collection. And this is so cute. So excited. Look at these sticker sheets. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. So then these are your boxes. And then these florals are, I'm so obsessed with these florals. They're so pretty. Dearest reader, you have some icons here. Again with the florals. I need like a sticker book full of those florals. The color scheme is really pretty. Definitely fits in the theme. And you have the bees. These are your double boxes. These are your boxes. These are your quote-unquote washies. I love these quotes. I hope I'm not flipping these too fast, you guys. These boxes, I want to get these out to you guys as soon as possible. Or at least this video out to you guys so you guys can see them right before shopping. And don't forget to use my affiliate link down below to shop. And there are buy more, save more codes. So I will also link that down below as well. And I hope you guys shop till you guys drop because this collection is so pretty. The back to school launch is so good. And then last but not least, this is an accessory with the Bridgerton collection. So let me go ahead and open this up. Florals. With these accessories, this is for classic. You guys get a ton of things. You guys get this bookmark. So pretty. You also get these little sticky tabs here. A sticker sheet. These are the sticky tabs. And they're from the side, so that's really nice. It's different. And then you have a sticker sheet. You have this divider that has like a pocket in them so you could put your stickers, cards. You also get these really pretty filler paper that you can add in. And that is everything that you get in this accessory pack. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to use my affiliate link, and I'll see you guys in the next one.